Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to score a free eBay coupon code in just a few steps. First, go to easycoupon.co/eBay or scan the QR code on your screen to visit the site. Once you're there, enter your email address so the coupon code can be sent directly to your inbox. I'm entering mine now so you can follow along. Next, choose whether you're using an Apple or Android device. I'm on Android, so I'll select that and hit Continue. The site will start generating your eBay coupon code. To verify that you're not a bot, you'll need to download 2 free apps from the Google Play Store. The apps are free and you can choose any 2 from the list. Once the apps are installed, open and use each one for about a minute. Some might ask you to complete a short survey or sign up. I'll speed things up and play some background music while I complete the process. Once done, refresh your email inbox, and your eBay coupon code should be waiting for you. I'm refreshing mine now, and there it is. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping on eBay.